go back in there, you don't give him any attention, okay? We ignore him. This is part of training.
Switch to Milo, Cam. Switch to Milo, Cam. Is it on that?
No, it's on this. Chat, this sucks, but you have to, bro. You have to. He needs to know that he can't go in the house and that it's bad. So, it's like a kid. If a kid acts up and does something you don't like, you put him in timeout. It's not abuse, you idiots. It's how you train a dog. When they do something you don't like, when he poops in the house, you put him in his cage. And you show him that he can't do that. He's literally Sag farming right now, bro.
He's farming sad TikTok edits. He's eating the cage.
Milo? Listen. When you poop, you go outside, okay? You don't go inside, okay? Come on. Say sorry. Okay. Do you want to go for a walk? Want to go for a walk? I know. It's okay. You're just a puppy. You're learning. I know. Go for a walk? Come on.
Alright, now I have to get my shoes.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Sit. Hey, sit. Come here. Good. Chad, the amount of progress that he's made in not even a day is insane. No, leave it. Hey, no, you're not allowed to bite your leash. Leave it. Leave it. Oh, my God. Ready? Hey, leave it. No, what are you? You're not pulling me. You're not pulling me. I'm pulling you. You're not going to chew your collar. No, because you know what's going to happen? You're going to chew this, and then it's going to... You want to fight? Are you feeling mischievous right now? Come here. Come here. Leave it. Leave it. Hey. Oh, really? Really? Does someone not want to go for a walk? Hey, no. Leave it. Leave it. Okay? I'm not letting you start chewing your leashes because then you're going to chew through it and you're going to get loose. Come on. You want to go for a walk? We can go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Hey, why is he scared of this door? Come on. Yo, it does smell like poop out here.
Oh my God.
It's the trash can.
Oh my God.
The trash can right by the door.
Yeah, so it's easy access.
Come on.
Wait, how do we prevent stuff smelling like poop?
Plastic bags. We have to plastic bag the poop. Come on. He's a pouncer, Chad. He like prances and jumps instead of walking. You want to unlock a new POI? Come here, Milo. Come here.
It's locked. Oh, never mind.
New POI, come on. You're unlocking the map right now.
What is he doing in here?
He's unlocking the new map.
Milo.
Come here. Come on. You can leave it open. Look, this is the living room. This is where we have phase meetings at. This right
Oh my
here.
God, you have to add him to the guest.
Should we add him to the guest list of the 4th of July party? Look at this guest list, chat. For the 4th of July party. This is crazy. Wait, RDC might be pulling up? The professor's coming? No. Milo. What are you doing, man? No. Okay, hold on. No. What are you? No, Milo. Okay, hold on a minute. Come here. Watch your head. Good, okay. What are you doing? Why'd you go under there, huh? Listen, why do you want to be held like a baby? You're not a baby. Okay, I'll put you down now, okay? Let's go back outside and finish our walk. Come on. Come on, Milo. Let's go for a walk. Yeah. Good. This way, Milo. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Get on this side. Stay away from the pool. You're not going swimming yet. Come on, you're good. You're good. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh no. No, it's fine. It's just a pool filter, Milo. You don't gotta be scared. Come here. Come here. You don't gotta be scared. It's just a pool filter, man. Now I'm gonna stay really close to you, just in case there's some bad coyotes that want to come after you. All right, Milo? Watch out. One thing I learned with my old dog was that you always got to keep treats in your pocket just in case, like, he does something that you like. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go say hi to Max. Let's go see Max. Come on. Come on. Why does he run like that, chat? Dude, I wish I could just let him run, bro. Chat, I gotta find a field or something that's closed off that I can just let him run.
Where are some lights for out here?
Yeah, low key.
Like a big light so then you could see this area.
What? Oh, he's laying in. Hey, leave it. Leave it.
I think he's biting the leash, Lacy.
Leave it.
Lacy.
Hmm.
He's biting the leash.
Hey. No, leave it. What did I just say? Hey. Stop biting. Hey, it's not a fucking tug-of-war toy. Leave it. No. Oh, yo. It's not a toy. Leave it. Leave it. Good. No. Come on, we're back inside. Little shit. It's a little shit, bro.
He's trying to walk you.
You're not walking me. I walk you. Or not. Maybe I don't. You better run from me. Come on. Let's go back inside. You can run around in there. Because I can't let you run in here. But inside you can run. Come on. Milo. What is he doing? Is he digging? Hey. Hey. Leave it. I'm gonna have to get him a harness, chat. Good. You heard that?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go inside. I'm not risking you getting hurt. I'm not risking your first day you having an encounter with a coyote, buddy, okay? Not on your first day. It's too dark out for this. And I heard something in the bushes over there. And those things are fast. Alright? Jump on them. Checking, coyotes smell like really far.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo, Chad, y'all realize you're spending house tour for a fucking dog, right? Like, you realize he doesn't know what if I say, yo, this is a DAPS room, he doesn't know what that means, okay? I don't know how to explain that to y'all. What is he trying to get at? No, leave it. Look. Oh, look at this. It's a ball. Look, you go get it. Oh. Bring it. Hey, give me that. Oh, good boy. Here, Milo. What is he sniffing? No, he just ran into the thing. Ready? Ready? Oh no.
Oh.
Oh shit! Wait, he's low-key an athlete! He's low-key an athlete! Can I see that? Can I see? Let me see. Give. Good. Ready? Go get it. Oh no. Get it quick, Milo! Oh. Wait, how's he gonna get out of this one? Is he stuck? Don't scare him. What is he doing? Milo, you're not going to blend in with the bear bricks, dude. You left the ball, man. Oh, you're a little ankle biter, aren't you? Ready? Bring it. Can I see? Good. Come here. Ready, Mom? Ready? Go get it. Oh. Bring it. Oh my God, he brought it and dropped it to. Yo, that's crazy. Ready? Go get it. I threw it, dude. It's okay.
Tism.
Milo, I threw it. Good, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good. Oh, shit. Hey, no bite. No. Mm-mm. What is he doing? Is he biting his dick?